Hi everybody, Dave here from the Fun by Design channel. Welcome. This channel's all about fun products and designs that can help you in your daily life. So, I've just received a new product, so I'm going to take it out and we're going to have a look at it and see what it's all about. Here we go. Now this product I've bought because I do a little bit of eBaying and I do a little bit of website stuff, and sometimes I need some decent photographs, and it's very difficult to get decent photographs when you've got a lot of clutter about, especially like in my house. Anyway, let's take a look what this is all about. Now, I don't know what to expect, so this was actually very cheap, and it could be very cheap, if you know what I'm saying. What it is it's basically a light box where you can photograph things inside the light box and it lights up with LED. So it gives you a nice clean photograph with no clutter in the background of some smaller objects. So I'm going to get it all out and see if I can construct it, which could be a challenge. Got it. Right, that's the backdrop in. Inside the box. And then the rest of the box is like a reflective material to sort the light out. And this front panel will come off, so you can photograph through the front, or you can also put that panel back on and you can photograph through the top if you want an overhead shot of something, which is pretty cool. Now I'm presuming that the light goes in there somewhere as well. Now I don't know what these are for, so I'm going to have to read the instructions again. Let's have a look. I see, they're for holding the light. So, let's have a look. Let me take these out. Oh, I see, they're just rails that clip onto the bars at the top. So that's good. LED lights. That's pretty nifty. If you're into photography or need to photograph something and get some good photographs, then I will leave a link to this in the description below. I hope you have a better job at building it than I have. Cool. Right. Take that off so I could put the lights in. Now then, let me just make sure I can connect those lights up first. Looks pretty cool actually. I think it's a bit of a struggle to build, but I think once it's done, I think it's going to be really handy. Right, let me have a look what's involved with the power supply. So it comes with two LED lights. And a power supply. If I can get into it. It's pretty wicked, this. Right, let's have a look. Ooh, that's cool. Right, so I've got two ends to go to, one to each light, then the power supply, and then that plugs into there for the mains. I'm actually glad it's mains because I was, when I ordered it, I never thought about it at the time, but after I ordered it I thought, oh, I wonder if they're USB lights, which means I hadn't got a spare USB socket, so being mains, that's even better. So we'll just take all these silly wraps off. That's it. Right. So that will be to go to the mains. That cable will slot through there. And that will plug into one light, like so. And then they've got little hangers. So the plastic frame that I made before, it'll just literally hook over the frame. So I'll try that first, put that one down so I don't break it. That's straightforward enough, thankfully. And that one goes in there. That's very easy. Whew. We'll put our other wire in, which goes into there, and hang this one up. I'll give you a close-up inside here once I've finished building it, and then we'll test it out. Okay, so that's that. So we can pull them wires through so that they don't get in the way of any photography that I'm going to do. Cool. I don't know whether you can see them lights in there, but we've got two lights inside the top of the box. That's good. You know what? I think it's done. Apart from having two spare backdrops. Oh, hang on, what's this bit? Ah, we've got side curtains as well. That's good. Which means, I presume they're side curtains. Oh, a side curtain. Okay. Where does that go? So I'm going to assume that just hooks on up there. Oh, I see. Ah, right, I got you. It's a diffuser. I thought it was a curtain for the side, but it's not. So basically, you just put that across, and then the LED lights will be diffused, so that they're not too bright through the box. So just basically hang that up there, and that one over there. That's cool. So as you can see now where the lights were, it's now got a diffuser over the top. So that's cool, that's good. Right, let's get rid of some rubbish here and get some power. Let's see what it's like. Have I got a spare socket? Whoa! Now we've got light. Whew. Bit bright. That's going to light something up, isn't it? Hang on, let me move you a bit. Okay. So basically now, if say for example, one I made earlier, I wanted to photograph that pie dish, I could place that in there. You can't really see it because it's so bright. Hang on. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a photograph of the pie dish, and then I'll show you that. But obviously I'm recording actually on my camera that I need to take the photo with. Yeah, basically this is a cube lightbox, which is brilliant for photographing small items because you've got a white background or a black background or a coloured background, and you've got perfect light, so it's going to eliminate any shadows on any photographs that you do. Brilliant for photographing small items for, like I say, for the I mean, I do a little bit of eBaying and things like that. Yeah, so you can photograph your items in this cool box. How cool is that? Right, that's it for this video. I need a rest now. And like I say, I'll leave a link to this in the description below if it's something you might be interested in. I was rushing it a little bit, so I probably struggled with it a bit, but if I'd have taken the time to read the instructions, but we did a bit of an unboxing, and yeah, pretty cool. So we'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to Fun by Design, and we will see you in the next video. And don't forget, comment below if you've got one of these. Be good to hear how you get on with yours. Bye for now.